In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TradeZero. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account on pro.tradezeroweb.co. Of course, you can access this from going from your platform and then signing into your account, and you'll be able to access this. And then it's actually very simple to use this, okay? So here up top, you have kind of your portfolio. You can select your account. I currently have only one paper trading account connected, as you can see, and you'll be able to see your open positions, your closed positions, and your active orders, okay? So this is pretty much what that is. And of course, you can see a bunch of different info regarding your account up here. Here you have your watch list where you can just go ahead and search for some symbols. And then you can go ahead and just add these to your watch list, as you can see, very easily. And then down here at the bottom, you also can go ahead and create orders. So let's say I want to go ahead and type in NASDAQ. There we go. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's going to basically give me an option to create an order over here. You can then go ahead and see the buying power. You can type in the quantity down here. If you want to go paper, the type of market you want, the type of order you want to do, and then the expiration date as well. And then, of course, you want to select your account in case you have multiple connected. And then down here, you can go ahead and, as you can see, it says display quantity. You can also do that too. You can set the price and the stop price as well if you want that. Now, here you then have to click on the buy button, and as you can see over here, you'll receive a order confirmation. I'm going to click on confirm, and if you go up top over here, in just a few seconds, there we go. Oh, as you can see, my order has been requested and it was rejected because, of course, the markets are closed at the time of recording this video. That's the reason behind it. But essentially, this is how you actually do place an order. As I showed you over here, you can buy, sell, you can short or cover as well. Now here on the right, you also have your charts. Okay, so if you can see, if I scroll down a bit, you'll be able to select your symbol. So for example, I have NASDAQ over here. And of course, you can type in whatever you want. So for example, just like whatever you want. Okay, let's say we're going to do Apple right now. There we go. We can see the Apple stock. And then here you can also put on different indicators. You can draw on the chart. You can basically display different things and kind of hide them if you don't want to see them. And here you can also get some help. Now you can do your chart analysis using this, of course. And when you click on order up here, you can quickly just order, which is basically the same thing as over here. Okay. Now, down here at the bottom, you can also see some additional volume charting. And if you scroll down a bit more, you can see the news as well. So here, you can either see the news from all channels or go ahead and filter by different channels over here. And you can then go ahead and click on any of these and they will open up and you can go ahead and read the news. Okay. Now here you can see these buttons. If you actually do this, you can even group things. So if I put in group A, for example, and if I put this into group A as well, this has now kind of been grouped. So yeah, that can be pretty convenient in case you're trying to sync things. And that's pretty much that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.